you guys be running for Felicia?
That's a big ass bird. That's a big ass bird.